Freelancing can seem intimidating, but the truth is, you already have the essential skills to start your freelance business. Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Z, and in this channel, I share everything freelancing. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 freelance skills you likely possess and how you can leverage them in the freelancing world and make money. So, if you're excited to dig in, go smash that like button and let's get started. First up, communication skills. Now, why is it important? Communication is the cornerstone of freelancing. Clear and effective communication helps you understand client needs, convey ideas, and build strong relationships. Now, how can you use these communication skills in the freelancing world? Well, first up, you can craft clear, concise, and professional emails to communicate with clients. Remember that good email etiquette can lead to positive and strong working relationship. Another way that you can use these communication skills is, of course, when it comes to discussing more about the project or the contract or the terms that are beneficial for both parties. This way, you are also able to discuss clearly payments, deadlines, and scope of work. And of course, another thing would be if your freelance work will require you to deliver presentations like pitching ideas, present results. Effective communication will help you articulate your points confidently and persuasively. Now, the big question is, how can you make money out of it, right? So the first thing that I can think of is you can lean towards copywriting, wherein you can create compelling copies for websites, blogs, and marketing materials. Another path that you can lean toward would be social media management, wherein, of course, you'll be able to manage audiences for the clients, engage with the audience, respond to DMs, and overall manage their social media accounts. The other thing that you can do is, of course, to provide customer support to businesses needing help when it comes to managing inquiries and resolving issues. Another freelance skill you didn't know you have is time management. You see, freelancers often juggle multiple clients with multiple projects with varying deadlines. So time management is so important. This will ensure that you meet deadlines without compromising quality and still be able to enjoy work-life balance. Now, how can you use this time management skill in your freelance business or freelance journey? Well, of course, you can plan your day and week and schedule specific times for specific clients with specific projects to help you stay focused and organized. Another way that you can make use of your time management skills in the freelance industry is that you can prioritize tasks. You can identify the most important tasks so that you can tackle them first. This ensures that you meet critical deadlines. And of course, another way that you can make use of your time management skill is to set realistic deadlines. You can be honest on how long a task will take without you overcommitting. This will ensure that you are able to deliver quality work on time. Now, the question is, how can you make money out of your time management skill? Well, you can lean towards project management services, wherein you provide services that will ensure that projects are completed on time, that you manage teams so that everything is aligned with the goals of the client. So if you have a background in managing teams, managing people, and managing projects, you can definitely offer project management services. Another way is, of course, to provide administrative support to businesses to help them manage their calendars, their schedules, handle their emails, and to streamline their workflows, aka virtual assistants. Now, if you've been supporting my channel for some time right now, you would know that I created a video a few months back why I no longer recommend becoming a VA. So you might ask now, why are you saying that I can be a virtual assistant when you just said that you don't recommend becoming a VA? So come on, girl. So I just want to clear things up, alright? I said I no longer recommend. I didn't say I don't want you to become a VA, right? So that's a different thing. Now, I don't recommend becoming a VA because there are already millions of VAs across the globe, but you can always offer virtual assistant services and just make sure that you stand out among the sea of virtual assistants, alright? So I hope I made that clear. Another freelance skill skill you didn't know you had is problem solving. Freelance work often involves dealing and overcoming challenges. So if you have problem solving skills, then you are able to come up with innovative and creative solutions to tackle those challenges. And this also, of course, will help your clients get satisfied with your work and always make sure that projects are successful. Now, how can you use your problem solving skill? When you have problem solving skills, you are able to look at problems at different angles and you are able to come up with innovative solutions. Whether it's fixing a technical issue or coming up with a unique marketing strategy, creative problem solving skill will always be a plus point. Another way that you can use this problem solving skill is, of course, persistence. You don't give up easily when faced with a challenge, right? Persistence will help you work through difficulties and find workable solutions. And of course, with your problem solving skill, you're able to identify solutions, right? And this way you can implement that solution effectively and efficiently to resolve any issue. Now, how can you make money out of your problem solving skill? Most of the time, those people with exquisite problem solving skills have background in IT, right? Information technology or computer science. So if you are that person, then you can lean towards IT support, like provide troubleshooting and technical support to businesses and individuals. Another way that you can make money out of your problem solving skill is providing consultation services. This is where you provide expert advice to businesses where problem solving is essential, such as business strategy or marketing. And one thing that I am really familiar of because of my sister is Lean Six Sigma. This is where these people find creative and innovative solutions to specific problems and challenges of a company. So yeah, you can lean towards consulting. And of course, if you have the problem solving skill along with writing skills, then you can offer technical writing, wherein you can create manual, guides, and documentation of solutions for complex issues or complex problems. Another freelance skill you didn't know you had is adaptability. You see, the freelance world is an ever-evolving world. So being adaptable will help you stay relevant and open to opportunities, allowing you to offer the latest services and skills to your client. So how can you use your adaptability skill in the freelancing world? Well, if you are adaptable, of course, that means that you continuously update your skill set and stay ahead of trends and technologies. And these are the things that will be so helpful and useful in your freelance journey. And of course, because of your adaptability skill, you are able to keep an eye on industry trends and adapt your services accordingly. This means that you ensure that you offer what clients need most. And also, by being adaptable, you don't mind embracing new tools, new platforms, and new methods to improve your efficiency and your workflow. Now, the bottom line is, how can you make money out of this skill? Alright, so adaptability skill is a more broad skill wherein how you can make money out of it will really depend on how your adaptability skill aligns with your creative and more technical skills. So let's say you're adaptable and you also have a web development background and you love learning new code languages, then you can offer web development services to your clients. But if you are more of a person who loves to learn new formats and new strategies when it comes to creating engaging content, that means you're adaptable to new strategies in content creation, then you can lean towards content creation. Or let's say you are more adaptable to design trends because you love designing, then you can provide design services. I hope you get what I mean. When you are adaptable to certain things, at the same time, that adaptability skill is aligned with your technical or creative skills, such as let's say web development, content creation, or design skills, then you can make money out of that and offer those specific services. Another freelance skill I bet you didn't know you had is research skills. Now, why is this important? Good research involves gathering accurate information, understanding the market, helping you make informed decisions. And this is so essential when it comes to providing valuable services to your clients. Now, how can you make use of your research skills? Personally, research skill is like the most important skill you need to have when you are entering the freelance world, because in your journey, you will be needing to conduct research to either understand a specific task, how to use a specific tool, a specific platform or method. Everything is researchable, right? So that means that if you have the research skills, you are able to provide your client the data that they need to help them decide for their businesses. That's why you can really make use of your research skills in your freelance journey. So how can you make money out of your research skills? One way is to offer market research services to businesses to help them really understand their target market and help them make informed decisions when it comes to their marketing or business strategy. Another way is, if you have the research skill alongside your writing skill, then you can offer well-researched articles, blogs, and website content. Another way is, of course, to provide SEO optimization. Now, this involves keyword research to help businesses rank in search engines such as YouTube and Google. Now, this is more relatable to me because I am a YouTube strategist, so I eat keyword research for breakfast, and this is how I make money out of my research skill because I love keyword research. I love finding those keywords that will help my clients' YouTube videos be discoverable by their clients. So that's another way that you can make money out of your research skill. You already have these skills. It's time for you to recognize their value and start using them to build a successful freelance business. If you want to know more about the top online skills, I have a video about that. You can check it here. Or if you really are ready to become a freelancer this year, then I invite you and encourage you to watch my most recent video on what I would do if I were to start freelancing today. You can check that video here. Now, if you want a complete guide on how to build your freelance business for success, then I invite you to grab a free copy of my freelance business blueprint. You can check the link in the description below. Anyway, I really hope you got value, and if you did, please drop the word gold in the comments below. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you on my next video.